Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin. So I've been studying the rate hikes in. Sorry, let me just clear all this out. I've been studying the rate hikes in 2017, 2018. However, it's not really similar, and it could go either way, right? Mainly because in 2017 and 2018, we didn't hike 7 times in a year, right? 2017 was more like 3, right? But the thing is, in 2017, the 3 rate hikes brought the interest rates back to 1. And this year, we will be back at 1 by the 4th rate hike, right? Which will come maybe in July. So, what do I think is going to happen? I think the likely scenario is we will get a short squeeze, and the short squeeze can happen anywhere from here, maybe here, or here, or maybe right here, right? So really breaking out of this channel and then testing one of these levels. And this is likely to happen like maybe definitely before June. So these blue lines are dates that are marked out that could move price. So this is economic data, GDP. So if GDP is really, really bad, I think the price of Bitcoin will dump. Because in 2017, 2018, US economic growth was great, right? And for this one is inflation data. The second one is inflation data. And if inflation data continues to go up, it will increase the fear of the Fed raising rates more aggressively, maybe throwing a 50 basis point hike. And I think that will prices down. But if we clear the 2 obstacles, then what we will be seeing is the May rate hike, right? And for the May rate hike, I think if it's all business as usual, there will be a slight dump in the market, and then for the rest of May it will be bullish. But by June, I think things should be coming down as we expect to go into that 1% range. So yeah, keep your eyes open. There are just too many uncertain events this year that can cause fears in the market and for price to dump. And while I'm bullish on Bitcoin long term, I think 100k is definitely in the works, and because we didn't go straight up to 100k this time, we will go beyond 100k. It may not come this year. It may not even come next year. It might be the next bull run in 2024, in 2025. So, but you know, like 3x from here isn't too bad. Too bad investment. Holding, if you hold it 3 years, I don't think there's any asset class that you can safely say can give you 100% return every year. So yeah, if you hold Bitcoin, hold on to it. If it drops, add more. I think it'll be great for your portfolio.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.